Okay, for this question, we're going to solve this system with substitution. And this would be section 7.1 in your notes. The whole point of substitution is that you're taking one variable and substituting it in for the other. So you see here how it's y equals this and y equals that. Well, this y equals this stuff, and so I'm just going to substitute it in for the y that I see over there. So x plus 3 equals x squared minus x minus 12. Alright, this is a quadratic and there's some other x's, meaning we're going to have to move everything to one side. So I'm going to do minus x. I'm also going to take away 3. So we get 0 equals x squared minus 2x minus 15. Now I can solve this in whichever method I want. I would suggest trying factoring first always, meaning our glasses. So I need to find two numbers that multiply to negative 15 but add to negative 2. About negative 5, positive 3. And because I do not have a coefficient in front of x squared, I get to use the shortcut, which means it's going to be x minus 5 and x plus 3. Now this means because this is equal to 0, I know one of these parentheses has to be 0, which is why we get our solutions of what minus 5 gets me 0, positive 5, or what plus 3 gets me 0, negative 3. That's why we're switching the signs there. But basically, when you get to this point, we're just taking the opposite of what's in the factor, and those are your two solutions. But do not be fooled because you are not finished. To have a solution to a system, it's like we had up here, these are coordinate points. And so you have the x's, but now you need to solve for y. And we're going to do that by plugging it back in. So for x equals 5, y equals 5 plus 3, because it was x plus 3. So it's 5 plus 3, which is 8. So one of your solutions is 5, 8. We're going to do the same thing with the other equation, equals negative 3 plus 3, which is 0. So our solution is negative 3, 0. And that's all it takes.